Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to show you how to freeze your pane so that whenever you are scrolling across your data in Excel, the top row doesn't just disappear just like this. When you are moving to check the data at the bottom, you can no longer see the top row, and you have to always scroll back to see what column D actually represents, which is item. So if you are at row 48, you may not know exactly what is happening in column E and what actually column E represents. So to get the first row frozen so that at any given row you should be able to see a description of what you are on, all you need to do is to apply the freeze pane function. So to apply the freeze pane function, all you need to do is to start by coming to the row you want to freeze. Assuming I want to freeze this first row, so you select it and you come to view over here, and you can come to freeze panes over here. You can come and say freeze the top row. Okay, select it and it's frozen. So right now when you try to move, you can see it still remains, and you should be able to see at column D what you are dealing with, and at column E what you are dealing with, and equally at column F and the rest of the columns. You know exactly what you are dealing with regardless of what row you are in. So this is just a bit about how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed this video or you find it useful in any way, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.